Meaning of file.
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 File. In computing, a file is a collection of data that is stored on a computer or other electronic device. A file can contain text, images, audio, video, or any other type of digital information. Files are typically organized into directories or folders to help users find and manage them. Files can be opened, edited, and saved using software applications designed for specific file types. Files are an essential part of modern computing and are used in many different applications, from creating documents and spreadsheets to storing multimedia content and running software programs.